see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Did galit siya, oh. Ayaw niya mapakasal pa Tita Ray. Okay, okay, okay. No wedding, no wedding. Just friend. Galit siya. Okay, just joking, no wedding. So just change the story, Ayaw niya magpakasal. Okay. Oh, yay! Good job, Kuya. So you're doing this with your bowl. How did you do that? Ayan, ihatid natin si Holly kay. Where are we going, Holly? Nana's house. Ayan, dito na kami sa bahay ng lola niya. I-drop off lang natin si Holly kasi alis tayo. May pupuntahan tayo. Ayan, nagmamadali ako kasi baka malate ako sa appointment ko. Come on, Papa. Be good, ha? Save. Okay? You be good. So, wait. Your Peppa, Papa. Ay, your dog. Wait. Wait for mommy. Yung baon mo nandito pa. Okay, come on. Go. Yeah, I got it. Come on. Hurry up here. Atid natin siya dito sa lola niya. Si lola muna magbabantay. Hi, ma'am. Thank you. Ayan. Go to Nana. Okay, be good, okay? I'll see you later, okay? Halik, Mama. Love you. Be good. Okay, say see ya.
Say bye-bye.
Say see you guys. Madilim. Okay, thank you, Ma'am. Si Jan na lang daw magpipick up sa kanya. Okay, thank you. See ya.
Okay.
Ayan, alis na tayo. Mag-drive muna ako and mamaya ko na lang kayo kausapin kasi baka mali tayo doon sa appointment ko, guys. Mamaya na lang. See you. Dito tayo sa Mount and magpapaano ako, guys, magpa-eyelashes extension. So first time ko to, dapat kahapon to, pero i-chika ko na lang sa inyo mamaya kasi baka late ako sa appointment ko. So bababa na ako sa car. Okay, baba na tayo. Sana tama yung salon na pupuntahan ko. Ayan, guys, dito na tayo sa Mickey Bell Salon. Ayan, ito yung kanilang shop. Ayan, ang pagpasok nyo, ayan. Hello. Hi. So yeah, I have an appointment for my false eyelashes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, you need to fill
out the form. Okay.
Okay, and
Yeah.
Zena will be with you soon.
Okay, thank you. We're up in here. Yeah, okay, thanks. Ayan, gamitin natin yung table, guys. Do you do SNS here?
No, but we will be soon. We do acrylic gel,
Acrylic.
everything else, but not SNS yet. But we will be doing it soon.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So, ang ganda, ang cute ng ano nila ng salon. Ito yung lobby. Hindi, ayaw ko kung lobby. Ito basta pagpasok mo dyan, ayan, may kita niya. Ang cute. Baka ano ko sa mag-copyright tayo. Mag-fill up muna tayo ng form. Ayan, tapos ko nang fill upan yung form. And, yeah, punta na tayo sa room. Thank you.
Thank you.
You ready? Is it alright for you if I do a little vlog? Okay. Just the one. Gonna do my eyelashes. Pasok na tayo.
Just through to the right.
Right?
Yep.
Okay, so this is the room. Wow, okay. I'm gonna relax here.
Yes, you probably fall asleep.
Yeah. And ayan yung mga gamit niya. So yeah, ready na tayo. Yung procedure, 2 hours or more daw yung paglagay ng eyelashes. So, mag-ano na tayo dito. Mahiga na tayo dito. For 2 hours.
Okay, so just close. Now, does that feel like it's poking in the eye a bit?
I got trapped in your eyes the moment can blink and I'm just gonna do one.
Feels like I'm going insane and only you can save me.
Close.
Feels like I'm drowning in the ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby.
Ewan ko nakikita nyo guys. So, ito yung nilagay niya is para hindi dumikit yung eyelashes ko sa baba.
So this might feel a bit funny.
Yeah, tapos na yung isang side, yung left. Haloan lang kung makikita. Hindi ako makikita. Tingnan lang siya parang pangit. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo guys kasi hindi ko sana naka-on yung camera.
Open slowly. Try and cover the light a bit out of your face. If any stickiness or stinging, just close straight away again. Feeling it? Just have a look. Just give them a brush. Couple more in the outer corner.
Lagyan niya parang
close again.
kakagdagan niya. Spray niya ulit ng hangin. Dinagdagan niya, diba?
I got trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something about
So, yan na yung una. Ito wala pa.
in my brain, no baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane and only you can save me. Feels like I'm drowning.
Just na tayo guys. Isa pa nga lang. Wala pa. So, another 1 hour siguro.
Come on, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control over lights in the space. Keep jumping around.
Ayan, tapos na ako magpa-eyelashes. Hindi na ako nakapag... Ano ba ito? Wait, baba. Andun sila kuya, nag-golf lesson na sila. So, bawal magsalita dun. So, dito tayo malayo. So, eto na yung ating lashes. Ayan. Parang ibang itsura ko. First time ko to. And nagpaganito ako kasi sa Saturday, meron kaming wedding na attendan ni Jan. Shh, baba, be quiet. And, dapat yung schedule ko nito, originally, kahapon. Kaso yung, aalis na ako 1 hour before, umalis ko ng bahay. Tumawag yung yung salon na sabi, ipa-reschedule ko na lang daw. Kasi yung gagawa, umuwi kasi, na feeling well. Tapos sabi ko, hala, sabi ko, hindi pwede. Kasi sabi ko, wala na bang paraan? Kasi sabi ko, may wedding kami. Ano na kasi ngayon kahapon Tuesday. So, ilang araw na lang. Hindi naman ganun kadali magpa-book. Sabi ko, wala. Sabi ko, yun nga. Sabi ko, mayroon akong, wedding sa Saturday. So, hindi ko lang kung makakahanap ako. So, tinulungan nila ako. Eto na nga. Sabi nila, punta raw ako dito kay Mickey Bell. So, yan. Napunta tayo kay Mickey Bell. And alam nyo ba, yung, buti na lang talagang na-cancel. Kasi alam nyo, yung doon sa una kong pinabook, yung pagpalagay sa kanilang lashes is $160. Dito, kay Bell, $99 lang. And then, kung gusto ko, daw to, maglalas daw to. Depende kung paano mo siya i-look after. So, maglalas siya 2 to 3 weeks. Tapos, kung gusto ko magpa-refill, depende din, $40 to $50. So, depende. Pag konti lang, $40. Pag marami, $50. And, kung halimbawa, 2 weeks pa lang, mayroon ng gap, pwede nilang i-refill na libre. Tapos, so nga, 2 to 3 weeks daw yung talaga, yung life nito. And, yeah, wag lang daw ako wag ko lang daw hilamusan na, or hilamusan, wag ko daw basahin for 24 hours. Ayan na yung mga boys. Ayan si Sak. What are you doing, Baba? So, yun, mabait yung gumawa sa akin. And, ayan, sumasabit yung yung buho ko. Wait, Baba. Sumasabit yung buho ko. Look at Mommy's eyes. Come here. Come here, look at Mommy's eyes. See my eyes? Pareho na tayo. Mahaba ang lashes. See? See that? Look at. Oh. So, feeling ko lang dito. Ewan ko. Pero sabi niya, pantay naman. So, ewan ko. Pero okay lang yan. Mas okay na to kaysa ako pa yung maglalagay ng tawag nun? Ng false eyelashes. And parang naninibago talaga ako dito sa false eyelashes ko. Oh. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Oh. Ganyan. Ayan si Sak, pinabalik ng daddy niya kasi gusto mag-hug sa akin. Sabi ko, mamaya na lang pagkatapos mo mag golf lessons. So, yun na nga. And yung gumawa sa akin ito, sobrang bait. Kasi tinatanong niya ako kung gusto ko pa raw dagdagan. Sabi ko, okay na. Kasi mas okay na siya kaysa before na wala ako. Para sa akin, okay na to. And, ang original plan, dapat today, SNS ako. Kasi, ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo yung growth ng aking nails. Mahaba na siya. And, yung isa kasi, parang bumubuka na siya. Ngumingiti na siya. Ayan, oh. Yan lang naman. Pero the rest, okay pa naman. So, eto, pinakancel ko to. So, ako naman yung nag-cancel. Kasi nga, wala na akong mahanap para dito sa lashes. Siya lang talaga yung available ngayon. So, kinausap ko yung, yung sa nails. Kung pwedeng i-reschedule na lang ako. Nagsabi na lang ako na something came up. Tapos, sabi niya, okay, pero hindi nila ako ma-schedule for this week and next week. Kasi busy raw sila. So, yun. So, yan. So, ngayon, kagabi, naghugas ako na gamit yung gloves kasi ayoko siyang matanggal. Ayan, oh. Tingnan ko kung may maitiban ako. I-maitiban ko tong isa. And yeah. Yung nabanggit ko ba sa inyo na pumunta muna ako ng Asian store, sa Filipino store. May kinuha ko doon. Bago ako pumunta ng Coles. Then, sa Coles naman, ang kinuha ko is roasted chicken kasi yun nga, pupunta ko dito. So, wala na akong time magluto. So, yun na lang ang aming kakainin. And ayan si and ayan yung mga boys andun. Look at my eyelashes, Han. Oh no. Is that alright? Ha? Hindi, wala, parang wala lang daw. Parang wala lang naman daw eh. O, diba? Kasi hindi ko naman talaga siya, kasi pwede mo siya yung talagang bonggang-bongga. Sabi ko, yung parang natural lang, pero parang meron din. Parang gano'n, ewan ko. Kaya hindi niya talaga inanong masyado. Ayan, o. Konti lang naman talaga. So, ayan. Sabi ni Jan, parang wala naman daw nagbago. Which is good kasi parang natural lang siya. Oh. Parang nag-zoom kayo, no? Parang nakasum yung mukha ko. Oops. Ayan. Nakasum pala yung kanina. Are you done?
Yes.
Ayan, tapos na sila.
Here.
Wait. Okay.
There's your bowl here.
Baba, great. Wait.
my ball.
These are your bowls.
What happened to your hand?
Text me.
Oh, text her. Okay, ayan na si Sak.
See over here. Flat.
So, every Thursday, May golf lesson sila dito sa Mount Gambier, dito sa Blue Lake. Then, pag Sunday, sa Adelaide sila. Tingnan ko daw siya. Tingnan natin siya. Oops. Oh, si Sak din naman. Wait, Sak. Kuya first.
I'm Mum's car.
Okay. Oh, doon daw sa may car ko. Wow! Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo. Nandun, lampas pa dun sa ano. Doon. Baba, wait. Ayan si Sak. Holly, come here. Come here, Holly. Holly, come here.
Wait, stop there. I'm doing another hit. Dad, check me that ball.
Well done, Zachary.
Well done, Sak.
Oh, thank you.
Holly, stay here because they're hitting balls. Come on. Another one.
Come here, Holly.
Oh, this is not my ball.
It doesn't matter, hit it.
Good. You can
Doesn't
walk.
matter, hit TJ.
It's alright, Kuya. It's all the same. Holly, stay here, ha? Ayun siya.
Watch the ball. That's right, Zachary.
Wait, Kuya. Sakay first, Kuya. Oh. Who's gonna do first? Kuya TJ. Wow,
Push it
good
out there
job.
'cause you come from the outside because I didn't hear.
Another
I
ball.
didn't tell you, did I?
Ayun si Sak.
Good shot, Zachary.
You have to wait for mommy. Wait for the guy.
Wait, mate.
Wait for the boy. Kuya, you
Wait, TJ.
wait, TJ.
Yeah, nice.
Nice, Kuya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
How about you, Sak? Do you have any? Do you have balls?
I'm gonna hit ball, golf ball.
Watch your feet. Wait, come back here a bit. And around and up.
Good job.
Still coming over the top.
Pero kay Daddy parang hindi. Para sa akin, good job. Ayan si Sak.
doing something you want to put your weekend here and
Holly, give me that ball.
there. Yeah,
Oh, you wait for...
weeknight in.
Yeah.
It's hard in the winter because it's dark so quick.
I know, that's right.
It's really hard. You,
Good job, Sak.
Mom, I just hit it.
Careful.
I hit which one is?
Ayan si Kuya. Oh, Holly, here, Holly. Holly.
Holly, can you get
Okay, last one. Last one, Kuya. Now that's it. Come on.
that? These golf balls bag then.
Come on.
Well, that's about losing it.
Let's get your arm out there, mate. Right. Open your face a bit. Turn your nose around inside and through. Right.
Yeah, that's good, Kuya.
That's not even better than mine. Mine's better than the ball. Oh, try to. Hey, hey! Oi. Oi, oi, oi. 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 Oi, 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 oi. Oi.
Good job, Kuya.
Oi, oi. No, no. Stop dunking
Alright,
the
pick all your-
ball.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Holly.
Come on, Baba.
Oh, I need all my boxes.
So, ayan. Pinipik na nila yung balls na hinit nila kanina. Ayan, oh. Ganyan kalayo. Ayun kay Kuya yung is... Kuya! Okay. There's another one there, oh.
More. That was my first ball.
Ah, is that yours? Ayan. Di ba malayo? Ayun yung car ko, oh. So, ayan. So, it's gonna be last lesson for next week, Han?
Yes.
Yeah, one more.
Mom, Holly's going with you.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm with Dad.
So yun, last lesson next week dito sa sa Mount Gambier. Then how about Adelaide, Han? How many? Han? In Adelaide, how many lessons? Another one, then after that's finished? No more?
Until next time.
Then next term naman. Next term. When's the next term, Han?
Huh?
Is it winter?
Next term.
When is it? Like, when?
Time of school.
Yeah, when? How many?
2 weeks and then it starts.
In 2 weeks? Oh, after 2 weeks lang naman pala. Kasi pag, kasi yung nila is, well done, Holly. Well done. Tingnan mo si Holly, oh. Nagpapa. Wait, Baba. Wait, let Holly. Okay, go. So, after 2 weeks pala. Next term, it's just only 2 weeks? In Adelaide, but here it's finished.
Here, I've got.
Starts again in 2 weeks.
In Adelaide. But here, how about here?
I'm staying.
So, dito, hindi alam. Tapos, sa Adelaide,
I'm staying here.
last one, next week. Then, after 2 weeks, may bakasyon silang 2 linggo. Then, start ulit. Okay, Baba? You're too close, Baba. You're too close. No! No, you cannot hit that ball like that close. Wait. I wait for Holly first. Okay, go, Holly. Move over. Oh, see, I told you. Around. No. Okay, I'm gonna do Kuya now. Sige. Come on, Holly.
You're aiming out there.
Hurry up, Holly.
You're aiming out there. TJ,
Do this.
Hurry up, Holly. Good girl. Okay, Kuya's turn. Alis ka dyan. That's Kuya now. So, Holly here. Good job, Kuya.
what's that, 6?
Yeah.
That's what you need to do.
Okay, Holly. Fire!
I'm not going. I'm not. I'm going back. I'm right there.
Okay, come on, Holly. We're going. Good job. Okay. Come on, Baba. We're going. Come on. Sa bahay na lang, guys. So, yun nga. Dito last week na nila. Next week. Then, hindi alam diyan kung kailan yung next dito kasi pa-winter na. Pero sa Adelaide, meron pa silang 1 week. Then, 2 weeks na pahinga after nun. 2 weeks na pahinga. Then, balik ulit sila. Yun, yung term. Next term. Kasi may bakasyon silang 2 weeks sa Adelaide. Hindi sila pupunta ng Adelaide for 2 weeks after next week. Okay, uwi na tayo. And ipakita ko sa inyo yung binili ko sa Asian store na mga Filipino goods. Come on, Baba. Ayan, bahay na kami. And sa face, parang ano kayo, crooked kayo. I-haul ko lang itong mga pinamili ko ba sa So, ayan na yung dinner nila. Light lang. Chicken rolls with cheese and mayonnaise. And butter. And ayan sa kids. Ayaw nila magpalagay ng sauce. Ayan. So, yan. Si Holly at saka ako magkakanin kami. So, yan.
That's where Dustin plays footy.
Nako. Kuya.
Do you have any more?
Yeah. Here's
I'm
Saikari.
having more. Thank you. Mom, I might have more after this.
Okay. May dalawa pang tira. May dalawa pa akong tira. Okay. Go. Okay. Come on, Baba. Daddy.
Hi guys, shout out Popcorn,
Lency.
Lindsay,
Avila.
Avila,
Balbin.
Barbine,
Family.
Family,
Jenny.
Jenny,
Alagon.
Uncle,
Sheila.
Sheila,
Riquitello.
Ricky Keller,
Pauletti.
Pauletti,
Mahinay.
Mahina. Don't get the right hat that trying my kid for shout out. Bye.
Simple lang yung makeup ko.
see, 'cause